I will talk about how can you add payment methods on your Whoosh app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click here on money here, you just click on it. So when you just click here on money, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on add payment method, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on add card. So then here add your card information here. So then you click here on add, then it's going to add with you on your Whoosh app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.